How to export or find private key on BullX. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to export your private key from your BullX account. First is to open your BullX account and start by logging in into your account and navigating to the Wallet Manager section that selects Private Keys option. Inside the Wallet Manager, you will see two options, Private Keys and New Wallet. If you do not see the Private Key options, simply click on New Wallet to access the Private Key options and download your private key. Click onto the Private Key option and then select Download Private Key. Your key will be downloaded as a text file to your device. Confirm and proceed after the download is complete. Make sure to check your box to confirm that you've received the key and then click on Done. Make your key primary. To make this wallet your primary one, click on the three dots next to the wallet and select the primary, copy, and use your private key. You can now copy and download the private key for use in any compatible wallet of your choice. That's about it. Thank you for watching.